All red admirals are getting a little bit raggy now. You can see that's a very worn one, but instead we have fresh small tortoiseshells coming out. This is just after the storm, so it's a little bit breezy still. I think there's a very raggy comma here as well. Oh, it's not too bad. It's clinging on for dear life because the breezes are still a bit strong, but there's a couple of small tortoiseshells. They're fresh ones. You can see the fresh small tortoiseshells coming out. It's the kind of end of summer, and red admirals always go raggy around that time, although you might see a few fresh red admirals, not that many though. Oh, they're really beautiful small tortoiseshells. That's when they look their best.